Hi there guys, today I'm going to show you how to service a hand winch, a 4x4 off-road hand winch. So what we'll need to start is a 5mm Allen's key, and we're just going to undo all these fasteners here. So you can see that there's a lot of dirt, a lot of rubbish that has entered into the hand winch. Like even over here, it's got muddy rocks. Yeah, just put over there so you can see. So it's pretty important that we clean all this up and make our winch function like new. Some WD-40, some rags, and we'll clean that right up. So with the hand winch, this is our forward pull mechanism, like that, and that's our reverse mechanism, and that's like the clutch or the locking brake. And then over here, a feature of the hand winch is a shear pin. So it's only on the forward one, and that's pretty standard on a hand winch. It's not on the reverse, and that's replaceable. So if it exceeds too much load, that shear pin there will break, which means you can't use it anymore. You might be able to put a sleeve, but some hand winches come with the spares. Mine didn't, so I have to be careful. But so far it hasn't let me down. It's been a very reliable winch, and I want it to be reliable for the years to come. And also this whole mechanism here comes off, so that's what actually makes the hand winch work. So I'll just put that on the side. You can see just how dirty the plate is. It comes loose, got lots of gunk in there. So we'll clean that up, clean the other one up, and we'll clean the actual mechanism up. So I'm just going to use some new grease. I've just got some car grease here, and I'll just put it over the moving components, and then we can reassemble the hand winch back together. So now the winch mechanism is all greased up, and that's ready to put back inside winch cover plates. So I'll just give you a bit of a demonstration. It's not often you get to see what's inside. So that's your forward motion. So your steel cable gets fed in through here, and there's some locking teeth in there. Don't know if you can see, just in there. And then there's also a second set of locking teeth in there, and the cable comes out from here. So depending whether you go forward or reverse, the good thing is though, your winch cable is always connected. So whether you go forward or reverse stroke or reverse cable feed, it'll still clamp onto the steel cable. So there you have it. That's how you can maintain and service your hand winch, and I'm sure if you look after it, it'll look after you. Hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.